Salam sejahtera, Tuan Nur Fajin. Nama saya Tan Jing Sen. Mesin nombor 296811. Course saya Bachelor of Science Economic with Honor, semester 1. Today I'm going to presentation about Introduction to Mathematical Economy. The question given is question 2. The monthly demand and supply function for the group B are given by P equal to 35 minus Q squared and P equal to 3 plus Q squared, respectively, where P is price measure in RM and Q is quantity unit. Next, the first question is identify which function is demand and which function is supply. From the question given, we can know that P equal to 35 minus Q squared is demand function. It's because the symbol of minus meaning demand in economic mathematics. Second, P equal to 3 plus Q squared is supply function. The symbol of plus meaning in mathematics economy is supply. Next, question number 2. Based on your answer in I, justify your answer. Negative sign of quantity coefficient show that negative relationship between price and quantity demand. It shows the law of demand. From the positive sign of quantity coefficient, both price and quantity supply have positive relationship. It shows the law of supply. Question number 3. Find the equilibrium price and quantity. The solution is how to find the equilibrium price and quantity is we use price demand equal to price supply, like 35 minus Q square equal to 3 plus Q square. The next step is we change the 3 and Q square. We use 35 minus 3 and then equal to Q square plus Q square, and then we get 32 equal to 2Q square. After that, we move Q to divide 32, and then we get 16. After that, the square becoming square root to 16, and then we get minus 4 and 4. In the economic mathematics, we only use positive number. After we get the quantity, we substitute quantity to 1. Let's say we use P equal to 35 minus 4 square. After that, 4 square become to 16, and then we use 35 minus 16, then we get 19. In question 4, based on your answer in number 3, sketch and label appropriately on the Cartesian plane. Show the detail step. Name of function for P equal to 35 minus Q square and P equal to 3 plus Q square. The function is quadratic, so the function form are same. P equal to AQ square plus BQ plus C. The shape of graph for P equal to 35 minus Q square, we get the a equal to minus 1, a equal to, a equal to 0, 0 more than 1, so that we get negative slope. For the p equal to 3 plus q square, we get a equal to 1 more than 0, so that we get positive slope. The voltage maximum for p equal to 35 minus q square is the upside, and for p equal to 3 plus q square, the voltage maximum are from below. After that, sketch the graph. Discriminant. We use the formula b squared minus 4ac. So we get 140 more than 0 on p equals to 35 minus q squared. So that we get two solutions. For p equal to 3 plus q squared, we get negative 12. That means no solution because it is below than 1. After that, we find y-intercept, so we use q equal to 0. For p equal to 35 minus q squared, we replace 0 into q, and then we get 35. For the p equal to 3 plus q squared, we replace 0 into q, and then we get 3. Same for the s-intercept, we use p equal to 0 for finding the s-intercept. So for p equal to 35 minus q squared, we replace 0 in p, and then we get q squared equal to 35. After that, we use square into square root to 35, and then we get the answer 5.9. For the p equal to 3 plus q squared, the s-intercept is not applicable. For the vertex, since the p equal to 35 minus q squared, the b equal to 0, then the vertex is 0 and 35. For the p equal to 3 plus q squared, since the b equal to 0, then the vertex is 0 and 3. This is a graph. Okay, thank you.